Hello guys, welcome back to Murugami YouTube channel. If you are looking for simple skills you can learn from home and actually make some money, this video is for you. So let's get into it. Today I'll be your teacher. Welcome.
Are you ready?
The main points or the main tips. There are three main points that we are going to discuss that will be helping you. So number one, we are going to start with graphic designing. Using Canva or Photoshop. Why do I recommend you using graphic designs and mostly using Canvas and Photoshop? Number one, you don't need to be a pro to start using Canva. Canva is easy and free to use. Number two, you can design logs, posters, social media posts, or business cards and sell them online. Number three, platforms to get clients, Upwork and Instagrams. So you can use graphic designs to do those points I've mentioned you. So point number two, social media management. Why social media management? Because number one, many small businesses need helping managing their social media pages. Learn how to create a content, schedule posts, and engage followers. You can offer these services even locally to small shops and businesses. So that is social media management. Point number three and our last point is transcription. That's our number three. So why transcription? Number one, if you are good at writing or listening, you can make money from it. Point number two, why we are referring transcription. Write blogs posts, product descriptions, or do transcriptions, converting audios to text, and also do websites and Upwork and so on and so forth. Okay. So those are the three simple skills you can start learning from home and actually turn into incomes. Which one would you try first? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips. Thank you.